everybody. Parking lot here in Virginia, doesn't matter. We came to dance, came to show you a cool move. Talented Miss Lauren on my left. I'm going to put all of her information, all of her business information. Very talented woman, has a talented business. Please check her out. I'm going to show you what this is first. Elbow catch, and then show you how to do it. 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. Okay? A lot going on there. We're going to show it to you, make it look easy for you. So first off, it's a tuck turn in West Coast swing. I'm going to use my right, her right, my left. So we're going to just do a one-handed tuck turn. So we're going to go 1, 2, raise the hand, step through, come through. She ends up on the other side of the track. We're going to go front to back, so you see that part again. Off the track, raise her right, and then send to the other side. That's very basic. You learn that a lot when you first start this dance. But now we're going to put something in between. Accelerated. But in the tuck turn, walk in on 1, 2, 3, and 4, raising her right hand. Guys, off the track, raise her right. That's all easy. So we're going to go this way again. Walk her in 1, 2, 3, and 4. She's on her right. I'm on my left. Now normally I would just back off and let her go under my arm and finish. Next though is I'm helping her with the catch. She can't do this without me. So we're going to go this way. She didn't know that. We're going to get into the elbow catch. So it's going to be a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to show you why I mean that. So first up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. There's the elbow catch. So guys, you're going to have to hook her elbow into the crook of yours. If you don't catch her there, she's going to keep turning or she's not going to know where it's coming up next. So again, once you're pretty forward, we stop. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 steps. 5, and. So by and, you guys got to have that elbow into hers. And that gives her good security. She's not going to have time to do anything more except to feel that connection and stop where she was. And they're going to pull her up onto her left foot. So we're going to go this way. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and pull her up onto her left. Guys, you're just repeating the footwork on the opposite foot. I'm on my right. So I'm off to her right side, hook the elbow, okay? More time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So guys, stay off the track, especially for the ending to what's coming up. Because all we're doing is we pull her up onto her left foot for the next triple triple. We're going to do the whole thing again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. So where she ends up again, like a normal tuck, on the other side of the track, except you're doing this elbow catch in between. So it makes sense to do it this way again. We're going to get to and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So you're already pulling her up on her left foot. Take your right hand, make her turn to her left, triple step. You take that hand, middle of her back, and give her the assist to push her. You can't use this hand. It's not going to work. Go this direction here. I'm going to stay off the track more so you can see what her play is. 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Guys, stay off the track until the ending and jump in to the whole part. It's the whole thing. Sugar bush. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just one hand. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. All right. That's a cool move. You got to get that catch in. Works good to a slow song, fast song. Hope you like it. She likes it. She's got to say that. She's walking out. Anyway, guys, have a great night. Thank you for this. Remember, click subscribe. Hit that like button. Until next time, have a great week.
Keep dancing.
She said it right.